Hello, Paul again here from EMD Motorsport. There's our sign at the front there. There's another one there. So I just came back from a road test. I went to Cornell and back. I had this car running. This is the one with the VW Crafter with the actual EGR cooler. I had this car running for about 40 minutes inside there today, and I checked everything. There was no coolant leak. This is after I done the actual vacuum refill and actual pressure testing. So now I'm back at the workshop. Just came back, so I didn't see that gauge. Didn't even go over the 90 degrees mark. Did not overheat at all. So now we're gonna go back to have a look at the engine. Okay, I'm back here now. So the level is there. That's the level there. I marked the level so I know when I check when it's cold to make sure it's not leaking anyway. Alright, let's have a look at the actual EGR cooler. That's a new motor as well, new motor. That one there, and that's a new motor on this side here. This one here is a new motor as well. That's brand new. That's brand new, and the EGR cooler is brand new. Alright, now so I'm going to park it for Monday morning. I'm going to check it. Make sure there's no more coolant leak. I'll double check the level as well, and then I'll let the customer know what's happening. I already scanned the car. There's no more fault codes locked on actually DME and the other stuff. It's all zero now, so when I erase it, you can come back. So now I'm pretty close to handing the keys over to the customer. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.